In this video, we are going to look at the example problem, how many meters per second are in 25 kilometers per hour. I encourage you to pause the video, try this conversion yourself, and then come back and watch the solution. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is draw my factor label bar. And notice I'm making more spots than the last example problem that we did. And the reason for that is when we look at what we were trying to convert, we are going to have to convert the 25 kilometers, but we also have to convert the hour. So we're going to convert the kilometers in the meters and the hour in the seconds, and that's going to require two conversions. I know that 1 kilometer is the same as 1,000 meters. So notice that I am putting the kilometers on the bottom for the conversion so that this divided by this cancels out. And I'm left with just units of meters. Right now I would be in meters per hour, but I want to be in meters per second. So I need to convert the hours in the seconds. So 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. So notice I put the hour up top so that when I divide 1 hour by 1 hour, they cancel out. And I'm left with units of seconds on the bottom. So now I have units of meters per second. This means that I'm going to take the 25 times 1,000 and divide by the 3,600. This is going to equal 6.94 meters per second. And this is the point in the course where I let you know that I do not use significant figure rules. So always keep a couple of decimal places. However, I'm not going to take up points if you put down 3 and I only put down 2.